Okay guys, so we will be playing like, I don't know, we'll be playing something. Okay, let's play this game. Okay. Okay. What's that? Okay. Just a fast fish. Oh my god. What? What? I didn't even see that. Why am I so bad at this game? Oh my god. Why do I keep getting killed? Hello. Seriously? This game is almost too hard. Oh my god. Oh. I'm leaving. What? I cannot leave. Oh yeah, the webcam. Okay. And these games are played. I promise to never nothing. Okay. Let's play this. Survive at Killers in Area 51. This is a good game. What? What? What's that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 9. This one. No, not that. How do you do this? I'm going. Okay. No one taps in the server. Okay. Okay, guys. So we are in the game, and let's see. I'll become myself. Oh my god. What is that song? What is that sound? What's this? Is that army battles? Okay. But today is the day we'll discover all the lies they were telling us. What? What? Is this even a day? Huh? We aren't even following you. What? Anyway, let's go and find out these aliens. You're facing there to your ghosts when we are right here. Wow, what a great leader. I'm pretty sure there's a soldier inside this. Let me stun him before he sees us. Okay? And also, I will let you play this. How will you stun him and kill him just with a single rock? He will only get hurt, that's all. Okay. I need to get the guns. And now I need to get those guns in the van. We've already gotten all those guns. Literally. Now I need to get the guns in the van. Okay. Oh wait, I didn't even get it. I didn't even get the guns. There. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Wow, there seems to be snipers in here. Take them so we can defend ourselves. What? We already took them. Okay, let's find the entrance to the area now. There's no entrance. There's only a bunker. I'm about to die because of cactus. What? I didn't see this strat. No one dies. All of the soldiers. We will win this war. No one dies, boys. No one dies. No one dies. We will win, soldiers. Stop saying. Ha 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 ha. I'm about to die because of cactus. That's his last words. That's his last words before he goes to the army. That's the last. Uh-oh. I'm just gonna run. I'm running. Okay. Come on. Kill them. Okay. I just need to close the leaderboard. Yep. That's done. Okay, I'm coming. Not that sound once again. What's that? What's this? What's this alien coming with us? And also this little alien. This looks like a buff man. Is he the one that said those things? Is he Iron Man? Nope. This is Iron Man. You know what? You yourself will die. I will headshot you. Okay. One of the whole areas now we have arrived. We should all get ready for intense fight from now on. I bet there's a surveillance camera around here. If you find it, shoot it. One time I already found it and it didn't even work. Like I shot at it and nothing happened. Shit. Okay, I'm not gonna do shift lock for this game. I'm not gonna do shift lock for this game. Yep, it's off. Shift lock switch is off. Oh my god, my health. Oh, I didn't even know that I had this one. Now it's adventurous music. I'll freeze them, okay? Ah, soldiers are already killed. Oh, that wasn't even a freeze one. Guns, Remington. Okay, I took everything. There. Even more guns here. Take everything. Look, there's a camera right here. I'm shooting it. Doesn't work. But it doesn't sound human. Yep, this is my excuse to freeze them. I'll freeze them. Okay, freeze them. Nail it. Okay. And they actually are. Okay. I'll shoot like this. Oh my god! What? Oh no, I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. Run? Oh no. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Well, at least now I know what's gonna happen. I kind of forgot what. Oh no, my guns. Okay. So now I got this one. Yes, I do see it. There's soldiers, and they're gonna open the door. They're gonna click the green button, and they're gonna do whatever they're gonna do. Yep. They are two bosses, I guess. Mad killers. Yes, just us to fight these literal mad killers. Oh. Okay. 3 robots. I wish it gave you some lives, but this is like almost so hard. Okay, so I'll catch up. Okay, guys? I don't know, only 2 more minutes left. I don't know what we can do. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I'm back on this. I'm back here. And we just, fought all of these guys. Wait a second, where are they? Oh, they are there. There's only 2 of us left. Okay, if I fail, I'm not gonna come back this time. I'm not gonna come back this time if I fail. Okay, go. And we only have 1 minute more remaining. That's the max time limit of the recorder I'm using, so, Oh, no. So, guys, that's it for this video. And this is just a bit early, So, let me just say that next video I'll spend the whole time playing this one, okay? So, that's all. And 54. And I don't have any Robux. I'll get some next year. And bye bye.